if I am straight or gay. I can understand the question when I dance this way. Straight I said, he said that's okay. Some other little something might be coming your way. A little while later and up you slide, sipping on your drink and making moves at my side. I've got to impress her with my mating routine, show her something no New Yorker will have ever seen. So I pull out the peacock knees of surprise. She laughs and tells me that I sprayed sweat in her eyes. I apologize, stand still on the spot. She puts her hand on my back and says, wow, you're hot. You turn me on, 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 you turn me on. It's as clear as the ice melting in my glass. There was no need for questions to be asked. Skip the how you do's, what you do's, political views. You've heard the news, the oh my god it's different here. You have the tip with every beer, it's clear. So little time to waste, make the move. Haste post haste, this is lust at first sight. Let's knock the night till it retreats to light. I'm in New York making out in the back of a cab, and she's giving me her body to taste, touch and grab. I'm fulfilling a cliche, ticking a box. Big apple, yellow cab and an American fox. The city gliding past us block by block. I never ever ever want this cliche to stop. Knowing that skyscrapers rise above, I could have sworn I felt a crazy little surge of love. The love of lust, directed at you. Do you feel the same way too? Please tell me that you do. And we can love lust the whole night through. They say it's better to have loved and lust than never loved at all. Just love the lust, you'll have to leave without before. They say it's better to have loved and lust than never loved at all. Just love the lust, you'll have to leave without before. They say it's better to have loved and lust than never loved at all. Just love the lust, you'll have to leave without before. They say it's better to have loved and lust than never loved at all. Just love the lust, you'll have to leave without before.